How can a small business qualify for insurance discounts? Have you ever driven by an old abandoned factory or warehouse only to see a security car parked in the lot? The place may have no employees, nothing on the premises worth stealing, but they still have a security guard. That's because the presence of security means that the owners of the property are saving more money on insurance than they're paying for the protection. It's easier to get discounts when you have the capital for that kind of thing. Big businesses have whole teams of analysts and experts and lawyers on hand to advise them on how to get the very best insurance package, but they're playing with some big numbers. What can the small business owner do to compete and get a great deal on business insurance? Write an employee safety guidebook. Consult with OSHA and workplace safety professionals to write a handbook for your employees. This will help to establish safe operating procedure, and show your insurer that you've got everything under control. Set a higher deductible. Higher deductibles mean lower premiums. Make sure that your deductible isn't so high that you can't pay it at a moment's notice should you need to, and know that your insurer may have limits on just how high you can set your deductible. You're going to pay less each month if you're willing to pay more in the event that you file a claim. Pay your premiums annually. If you have the capital on hand to pay your annual premium charges all at once, you're going to get a nice break on what you're paying from almost any insurance company in the world. Annual payment means less work for them, fewer bills for you, and lower payments. Install a few safety features. Sprinklers, deadbolts and security cameras may wind up being a rather small investment for the size of the savings. Of course, the best way to find out what discounts you might qualify for is the same as ever: call your business insurance agent and find out. Every business is different, every insurer is different, and every industry is different. That means that you won't really know what discounts are available until you give your agent a call and find out. Another great way to save on your business insurance is by calling Prism Insurance Agency and having us do a thorough review of your current policy. Call or text us today at 951-243-2800 and we can get you a quote.